Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is a much requested recipe and I'm going to show you how to make eggless orange cake. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. First I'm going to mix the dry ingredients for the cake. For this, take 1 3/4 cup of Maida or all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, mix everything and keep it aside. First I'm going to add the pulp of 1 orange, pour the juice of 2 oranges, half cup milk, 2.5 tablespoons butter. To this add 1 cup sugar, the rind of 1 orange, half teaspoon vanilla essence. Now I'm going to mix all the wet ingredients together. Now I'm going to add the dry ingredients. Mix everything till it's all well combined for about a minute. The batter is ready. Grease the cake tin on all sides with some butter. Place a piece of butter paper and pour the batter into the cake tin. Spread the batter evenly. Preheat the oven for about 15 minutes at 180 degrees. Bake for 45 minutes at 180 degrees. Let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then you can remove it from the cake tin. Now I'm going to make the icing for the orange cake. Now I'm going to make a very simple icing for this. So take about 1 cup of icing sugar. To this add a little fresh cream. So add the fresh cream accordingly to get the right consistency of the icing. You want it a little thick and you can see using a whisk makes the icing very creamy and smooth. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of fresh orange rind to give it a nice flavor. So there you have a perfect glaze for your cake. So now you know how to make this simple yet delicious orange cake. So get some fresh oranges and start whipping up this incredibly moist orange cake. If you like the recipe, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this recipe with your family and friends. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.